Okay, so I thought I would just go into Etsy and just do a quick research tour and see with Allura, which is my newest keyword tool, what is selling as of right now. And I went into this really cute wildflower printable stationery. And if you use Allura, it tells you that all time 292 sales, revenue $692. It's really good. You say, well, it's only $1. Well, that's pretty much it's all what besides a little bit of Etsy fees. That's a good $600 right there. And it's instantly downloadable. There's no customization. So really awesome. Look at this one. And you don't have to do envelopes. You do not have to do envelopes with it. $82, all time $92. Let's take a look at this one. This is like different ones. Let's see. $2.47, $3. This has only been listed for 19 days. Let's take a look at this one. $815, 410 sales, and it's black and white. Black and white with no customization. That is super cool. Let's take a look at this one. All time $1,849. Let's take a look at this one over here. Printable letter paper, $168. Only takes a few minutes to create. You can do this in Canva once you have a template and just do it over and over and just change out designs. Super easy. Okay, $10. This one's not been a bestseller. This one has a really good listing mock-ups. It's really cute. And you could do that in Canva. Look at this one, fall digital. That is so cute. That looks fairly new too. So anyway, you can see these are selling and they're super easy. I show you how in this Etsy class right here. Okay, so click on the link below and let's get going.